All right, there we go, you guys. So, 26th day of April, 2025. Sue Ellen's driving. Here we go. How much was it?
$3.75
$3.75
with the gas.
with the gas. So, here we are in St. Maarten. Sue Ellen's gonna be the crazy driver. So it's not Lucas Bay. It's
Where's the map?
right here.
Put it here so it doesn't fly out.
We're gonna stop at probably Moses Walk, Lucas Bay, whatever. Go Sue Ellen.
Tip that bottom up. No, up.
Just,
Jeff, I said up, not in.
I am
Tip it
going.
up. Push it out. Turn it in a little. Not that far. Out. Hold on.
Is that good?
It'll do.
There's the marina.
What?
There's the marina over there. Little submarine there. Pretty quiet. Saturday. No ships are in, so.
Oh, there's okay, there's the main front street.
There's a little,
Didn't we normally have a windshield?
yeah. That's fine.
4 a.m. rum jump? Oh, hell no. Did you have some rum, ladies? No. Oh.
So, okay, I'm gonna look in or out.
I want the bottom. The bottom. No. Up, Jeff. Now out. There.
Those four-wheelers. They have the parade going on today, so.
Rum jump.
Rum jump, so. Big thing here in
That
April.
one group, you could tell they were
Oh yeah.
a little inebriated.
Yep. A little drunk. So. How long we got this thing for? 6 hours?
Yep.
6 hours. I love how the nude beach.
Here.
I got it. We can have some nice Harbor View Executive Center. It's our first roundabout coming up.
To the right, correct?
Yep. That looks uncomfortable.
Yeah.
parking on the sidewalks.
Oh, look at this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow. At least this will all be dispersed by the time we come back around.
Oh yeah, it will.
He's drunk.
Yeah. Yeah, he's a little drunk. Thank God it's not the cruise ship, because. Good morning! Yeah. Yep. Yeah. A little drunk, she said.
Good.
It was pretty funny. She's like, when you're drinking rum and
At this
it's
early-
flowing,
Yep.
on the island. The way she goes. Oh. You can kind of tell.
To the right, correct?
Yes. Oh yeah, in and out, in and out. It's crazy. Gotta watch out with those motorcycles. Here we go.
Get out of that mess.
Yep.
God, they're parked everywhere.
Yep. We're running down the street. Oh, come on. So he's running down to a car down here. Zoo. I don't even think they care.
Yeah. Made me feel good.
Yep.
I'll check it up with the picture.
Do what?
Look here.
Yeah.
Look what she's wearing.
Yep.
That should not be for human eyes.
Now we're cooking with gas.
I mean, basically, it's basic. You just stay on this road.
Right.
Except when you get over on the other side, if you want to go through, that one area.
Right.
Otherwise, we cut through.
Right.
Come on the back side of Maho. Oh my God. Fucking crazy.
Yep.
Holy crap.
Nope.
I'm shocked there's not a windshield. Aren't you?
What?
Surprised there's not a windshield?
Yeah. The hills have eyes. But anyways, so we'll kind of end it right here. Next one will be at the probably the most area. So anyways.